In our programs, we were asked many times, what is this communication is all about? What is communication skills? And in one sentence, you can say, in our life when opportunity come, we are asked to talk 1 or 2 minutes coherently, fluently, and what is all these things? Coherence. What you talk should be logical, what you talk should be consistent. Fluency, the ability to express easily and articulately. And what is our goal? What are we looking at in a platform like this? We want to talk naturally. We want to talk without being memorizing it. We want to talk not too long, not too short, but just what is required. And we want to avoid mechanical deliveries. All of us want to be natural speakers, and sometimes we succeed, sometimes we fail. And let us look at what are the areas of these communication failures. All of you are aware of it. The first one being lack of knowledge of what to talk about. Clearly, the lack of preparation. And we tend to overlook some points and we do not develop in our communication, so that there are communication gaps being formed. And when we have nothing to say, we keep repeating the points. And again, fluency matters. Once there is no sufficient vocabulary present in our talk, even in daily conversations, we tend to repeat, use the same word, and it loses its charm. And ultimately, we all have faced it. Fear, nervousness, butterflies in the stomach. All these are part of those factors which are hindering our communication. And what is my suggestion? Through this platform, you will be able to communicate well. I'm not giving you a magic pill. I'm not giving you a secret formula. What I'm telling you is, start reading the blogs we publish, start watching the videos we give, start observing the vocabulary which we publish. Take a little effort. Keep a notebook. Write down few things. Save some videos. You could use apps like Evernote, Google Keep Notes. All these will help you to keep the knowledge what you're going through, rather than just the knowledge passing around. I assure you, keep coming back to this platform, like this page, follow the group, follow the YouTube channel. You will slowly come to the level of understanding and learning few things. And if you are a good speaker, if you are a good conversationalist, if you are a good listener, this platform will help you to brush up, to keep in touch. And we have many more things coming up for you, viewers and listeners and members, shortly. Stay tuned.